Hello students, I Shahin Kapasi, your mathematics teacher, welcomes you to my lecture. And today we are going to continue our chapter number 2, shapes and angles. But before going to our today's session, I just want to recall your previous session, what we have discussed in our previous session. We have seen some dialogue and discussion between Rohini, Mohini and Shaila, and Mohini was trying to make the same shape as one made by Rohini, and she was asking some questions to Rohini and tries to make the shape, and we have given some answers to that questions also, and they have discussed some questions related to shapes and angles. And moral of the story, we have got that when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. And related to that topic, we have solved one practice time question, and I have given you homework. Hope that you have done that homework carefully and you have marked that angles properly. Now, our next topic of today's session is angle and different types of angles. If you have remember, I have told you that in our first session what topics we are discussing, that all will be very helpful to you in this chapter. So, if you remember, we have done one topic, that is what are angles, different types of angles. That both topics will be very helpful to you in this chapter. And now we are going to start our that topic only, that is angle and type of angle. Types of angles, we have studied about acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. So, by taking the help of that type of angle, we will solve this exercise which is given on your page number 21. Now here we will solve our exercise. So let us start. Practice time. Look at the angles in the picture and fill the table. Now what you have to do? We have to look at the angles in the pictures. Some different pictures are given and angles are marked in that pictures, and you have to fill the table by finding out that whether it is a right angle, it is a more than right angle, or it is less than a right angle. So let us start. First one is already done for you. First one picture is a scissor, and in scissor angle is marked, and this angle is less than right angle. So we will put a tick mark in the table in the column of less than right angle. Then second one boy is standing and he is raising his hand in the position of 90 degree. So here our answer will be right angle. So we will put a tick mark in the column of right angle. Next, kite is given, but kite is in the form of 90 degree in a standing straight position. Two sides are straight. So we have studied that if two sides are straight in a position of 90 degree, it is called right angle. So here also we will mark in the column of right angle. Then next, the angle is more than right angle. It is more than 90 degrees. So we will put a tick mark in the column of more than a right angle. Then next, last picture. Here also angle is marked in the form of more than 90 degree. So we will put a tick mark here also in the column of more than 90 degree, because angle is more than 90 degree. So here we have solved this exercise. If you want to do the same with me, you can also do. I am repeating once again. In second figure, boy is standing with raising his hand in the position of 90 degrees. So we will put tick mark in the column of right angle. Then next, kite is also in the form of 90-degree measurement. So we will put tick mark on the right angle column. Then next picture is angle is in the form of more than 90 degrees. So we have put the tick mark in the column of more than 90 degree, more than right angle. Then last also, the angle is in the form of more than 90-degree formation. So we have put a tick mark in the column of more than right angle. So here, with the help of different types of angles, we have solved this exercise. Now moving to further, this all are the activities part. Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. You also have to do the same in the homework part, and you have to make right angles with black color, angles which are more than right angle you have to put tick mark with green, and angles which are less than right angle you have to mark angles with a blue color. So this activity part you have to do at home. Now next, question number 3. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown and also write what kind of angle it is. The first one is done. Now here, what you have to do, you have to draw anything of your choice. This means you don't have to draw anything whatever you want, but you have to read the question properly. What is given? That draw anything of your choice around the angle shown and also write what kind of angle it is. Now you have to identify first that what kind of angle is given, and then you have to draw according to the kind of angle. You have to draw anything of your choice, whatever you want to draw related to with the help of that angle. So first one is done for you, that means less than right angle, and you can see and notice that in first figure it is a mouth of crocodile which is drawn. So you have drawn here crocodile mouth, and we have seen that in that this angle is what kind of angle? This is an acute angle, somewhat V type angle, and it is less than 90 degrees. So I have written here less than right angle, or you can write acute angle also. Then this first one is done for you, and you have to do all that other questions. So let us see second one. Second one angle is which type of angle? First we have to identify the type of angle, and then we will, with the help of that type of angle what we have find, we have to draw anything of our choice. So second one figure is given, second one angle is given. Which angle is this? This is a right angle. So we can write here RA in short form, that is right angle. Now what can we make from this right angle? We can make here one photo frame like this. You can make a photo frame, or you can make some or other things. You can make window from this also. If you don't want to make this, you can make a window part also like this. That also you can make. Whatever you are making, you have to mention here. If you are making photo frame, you have to write here photo frame. If you are making window, you have to write here window. Then next one, third picture. In third picture also it is a right angle. So here also you have to write first RA. What we will write? RA, right angle. And by taking right angle, what we can make here? We have to draw anything of our choice. So if you are having any other idea, so you can draw anything from this right angle. Now here I am drawing one house like this. So you will have to write here house, and you have to write right angle like this. After that, in our fourth picture, what is given? What is our fourth picture? Fourth picture is our obtuse angle, because it is more than 90 degree, and we have studied that angle which is more than 90 degree, angle whose measure is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. So here we can write here OA, that means obtuse angle. And by taking the obtuse angle, what we can draw? We can draw a laptop. One of your favorite thing you can draw here is laptop. You can draw here laptop like this, or you can draw any other thing according to your choice, and you have to write here laptop. Whatever thing you are drawing, you have to mention it here. Then next figure, in fifth picture, what is given? This picture is less than right angle, as you know that it is V type and less than 90 degree. So what we will write here? This is a acute angle. You can write here AA, that means acute angle. And by taking acute angle, what we can draw here? We can draw an ice cream cone, as ice cream cone is the favorite of all students. I know you like ice cream so much, and also I like ice cream very much. So you can make here ice cream cone, or you can draw any other thing according to your choice, and you have to mention it. I have drawn ice cream cone, so I will write here ice cream cone. And in bracket I will write AA, that means acute angle. Okay, there is not a lot of space, so I am writing like this. You have to write with your pencil in your textbook, and you have to draw with your pencil only in your textbook. Now last figure, it is also an acute angle because this figure is also in the form of acute angle. This is also V type, that means less than 90 degree formation. So we will write here AA, that means acute angle. And according to this, what we can draw here? We can draw a fish like this. Okay, and you have to write here fish. As I have drawn fish, I will write here fish and AA, that means acute angle. Whatever according to your choice, you can draw with the help of acute angle, that is less than 90 degree here. Okay, so with this, by drawing some or the more things with the help of the angles, first we have identified the angles, and then we have draw some thing with our choice according to the angle shown. So this all were the different types of angles. So see how we have studied our different types of angles very easily by solving this nice exercise. Now let's move further. This is all an activity part. You have to draw and you have to make this activity at home. Nowadays in lockdown you are free. So what you have to do, you have to read this page number 23 and 24, and you have to do this activity at home. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it in a half, fold it once and more and press it. Then open the last fold so that this sheet is folded in half, and then you have to take one corner and fold it to meet the dotted line. Like this is given in the figure. And on the paper you will find lines making a right angle, an angle less than right angle, and an angle more than right angle. And you have to look for each of the angles and mark them with different colors. So all these activities you can do this at home. Then activity with angles with your body, but this activity you have to do under the guidance and supervision of your big family members, because this may be harm to you. So these all activities you can do at home. Now here, now make this 4, 5, 6 sided shape by using tube pieces and matchsticks. Now here what is given? 4, 5 and 6 sided shape. Now if you remember, we have studied about number of sides and names of polygon. If you do have revised this topics carefully, you may have remember about these topics that we have discussed, that polygons are named and classified according to the number of sides. And if the number of sides are 4, we have given the name as tetragon. And an example where quadrilateral, square and rectangle, if you have remember and revise this topic, you will be coming to know about this topic. Then when the number of sides are 5, it is known as pentagon. If the number of sides are 6, it is known as hexagon. So we have discussed this topic earlier in our previous session about what are polygons and list of polygon. In that we have studied about number of sides and names of polygons. 4, 5, 6 all we have studied. So what we have to do here, we have to take this number of sides and we have to make this sides by using tube pieces, or you can make by using matchsticks. And what we have to find here, find out how many angles are there in each of these shapes. Now we have to find here that how many angles are there in each of these shapes. So you can mark some angles and you can show them. Now push each shape downward with the tip of your finger. Now here some shapes are given. You have to push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger, and you have to identify that does the angle change when pushed down by the finger. What you have to do, you have to find out that when pushing down by the fingers all these angles, whether this angle changes or not. You have to write yes or no in your column and you have to find out. So let us start. Find out and write your results in the table given. There are two columns, shape, and other column is change in angle, yes or no. You have to state whether the angles are changing or not. So if angles are changing, you have to write yes, and if angles are not changing, you have to write no. So let us start. In first figure, if the angle is pushed down, its change in shape will be there or no. So our answer will be yes, because in first figure, if it will be pushed down, the change in shape will be there. So we will write here yes. In next figure also, second figure, there also will be change. If we push down this pentagon figure down, there will be change in the shape. So we will write here yes. After that, square is given. If square figure is also pushed down with the tip of your finger, it will also be change in the figure. So we will write here yes. But now at last and least, a triangle is given. But when we push down this triangle, there will be no change in the figure, because अगर आप लोग जो है उसको टिप ऑफ द फिंगर से ऐसे पुश करते हो, या आप ऐसे पुश करते हो, या आप ऐसे पुश करते हो, द फिगर विल बी नॉट इन द चेंज. फिगर चेंज नहीं होगा. ट्राइंगल का क्या रहेगा? ट्राइंगल ही रहेगा. देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन द एंगल. सो दैट्स वाई हियर आंसर विल बी नो. यहाँ पर आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? नो, बिकॉज देर इज नो चेंज इन द शेप ऑफ ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल में जो है एंगल में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा अगर आप उसको पुश करोगे डाउनवर्ड विद द टिप ऑफ योर फिंगर. रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल आर येस, because there is a change in all that figures, but in triangle it will be no. So hope that this topic of changing shapes will be clear to you. Now coming to our next topic, that is shapes and towers. Now here what is given in shapes and towers. Look for the triangles in the pictures below. Here some pictures are given, and you can notice here, you can see that in all the three pictures, most of the triangles are used in this picture. See. So what is given now? From the activity changing shapes, can you guess why only the triangles are used in these towers and bridges, etc.? Now we have seen one exercise, na? We have seen in our exercise in our previous page, which we have done in page number 26, that all the shapes changes. We have seen that hexagon, pentagon and square, both the three shapes changes, but triangle shape doesn't change. So there may be some reason, na, why this triangle shape doesn't have a change in a shape and angle. So from the activity we have seen that changing shapes, we have seen that all the shape changes, but only triangle doesn't change the shape. So can you guess, can you have give me any idea about why triangles only are used in these towers and bridges? So maybe any or other the reason will be there that in bridges and towers also they are using the triangle shape. So we can write here by guessing our ideas that a triangular shape is so much strong and doesn't change easily, and its shape also does not change easily when pressed. So triangular shapes are used in bridges and towers, etc. Then look around and find out more places where triangles are used. So now here what you have to write, you have to write the one or the other things you are using in our day to day life, and you are seeing that in many places triangle shapes are used. So like this given in your picture about towers and bridges, you can write about whatever you have seen, whatever triangles things you have seen, you have found in our in your area, you can write down here. As I am giving you example about, you can write that triangles can be found in roofs, buildings, giant wheel, satellite, ladder, stadium, hall, electric poles, etc, etc. You can write down there and you can note down it here, that wherever you have found this triangle shape, you can write here. Then next, angles and time. Now here new topic we will discuss, that it means angle and time. Now here, if you know that in previous, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था, वहाँ पर जो है घड़ी जो है, जो वॉच जो है वो नहीं थी. सो अर्लियर इन अर्लियर डेज हाउ दे लुक द टाइमिंग, पहले के ज़माने में लोग जो है वो कैसे पता करते थे कि कितने बजे होंगे. हम बोलते हैं ना घड़ियाल में इतने बजे, हमारे वॉच में इतने बजे. सो वी हैव डिजिट्स इन अवर वॉच, वी हैव द टाइमिंग्स इन अवर वॉच, वी हैव ऑल द थिंग्स इन अवर वॉच. हम लोग देख के पता कर सकते हैं कि इतने बजे. बट एज यू नो कि प्रीवियस यानी पहले अर्लियर डेज में क्या होता था, अर्लियर ज़माने में इन अर्लियर ईयर्स देयर वर नो वॉचेस, पहले वॉचेस नहीं थे. सो हाउ दे लुक द टाइम, सी angle and time. Now here two girls are there and they are asking some questions and they are giving some knowledge about how they see the times when there were no watches. Zenat, your watch does not have digits. Now here one girl is asking to Zenat that you have wear the watch, but in your watch there are no digits. Digits means numbers, there are no digits. So how do you read time? So let's see what Zenat answer. I just see the angles. See, when the hands make a right angle, I know it is 9 o'clock. What is Zenat is answering? Zenat is answering that I just see the angles. मैं कैसे देखती हूँ, मैं angles को देख के पता कर लेती हूँ कि कितना बजा है. कैसे? सी व्हेन द हैंड्स मेक अ राइट एंगल, शी सेज दैट जब भी राइट एंगल बनता है, सो आई नो टू कम दैट इट इज़ 9 o'clock. उसको पता चल जाता है कि कितना बजा है, 9 o'clock हुआ है. सो नाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व सम एक्सरसाइज अबाउट दिस. देर आर मैनी टाइम्स इन अ डे व्हेन द हैंड्स ऑफ अ क्लॉक मेक अ राइट एंगल. ऐसे बहुत सारे टाइमिंग्स है जहाँ पर जो है हमारे वॉचेस में राइट एंगल बनते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, आप लोग जो है इसको देख सकते हो, यू कैन फोकस दैट हाउ दे हैव डन, कैसे उन लोगों ने जो है बिना डिजिट्स के जीनत ने अपने वॉच में पहचाना कि इसको राइट एंगल बोलते हैं और ये इतना बजा होगा. सो दैट ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू डू, एंड यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर माइंड एंड यू हैव टू थिंक दैट कभी कभी जो है वॉच में जो है कितने कौन से ऐसे टाइमिंग्स है जहाँ पर जो है राइट एंगल फॉर्म होता है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक एंड यू हैव टू ड्रॉ सम एंगल्स गिवन इन योर क्लॉक. यहाँ पर 3 क्लॉक्स आपको दी हुई है. One I am doing for you and other 2 you have to do in your homework. As Zinat said कि 9 o'clock होता है तब राइट एंगल फॉर्म होता है. तो नेक्स्ट हम लोग इसके बारे में और कैसे बता सकते हैं कि कभी राइट एंगल फॉर्म होता है. सो सी हियर 1 clock इज देयर एंड आई एम डूइंग फॉर यू. हम कैसे बता कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर अगर हमने 3 पे भी छोटा काटा किया और 12 पे बड़ा काटा किया तो ये बच गया 3 o'clock और ये भी क्या बन गया हम लोगों का राइट एंगल. दैट मीन्स 90 डिग्री मेजरमेंट. So like this only you have to think and focus on your watch, and you have to write other two clocks timings, and you have to draw some angles which make a right angle in your clocks. Okay, and this is your homework part. This both clock are in is in your homework part. You have to draw right angle, and you have to mention the timing. Here I am mentioning 3 o'clock because I have drawn here 3 o'clock. So I am writing here 3 o'clock. Now next exercise. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at this time. Also write the time. Now you have to here first identify that what kind of angle is given. That means some clocks are given to you, in that particular timing is given. If we take first one, 7 पे छोटा काटा है, 5 पे बड़ा काटा है, and looking at this time, what you have to find? You have to find the kind of angle. Kind of angle means type of angle which we have discussed now only. Type of angle पहचानना है कि whether it is acute angle, whether it is obtuse angle, whether it is a straight angle or whether it is a right angle, and also you have to write the time. So shall we start? Okay, now first you have to write the timings. So in our first clock, what is the timing? Timing कितना हुआ है first वाले clock में? 7:25. So we will write here 7:25. And what kind of angle is this? This is an acute angle. So you can write here AA. There is no space, that's why I am writing in a symbol form. AA. You have to write acute angle, or you may write angle less than right angle. Now next, second clock, timing is 8:15. So you have to write here 8:15. And what kind of angle is this? This angle is more than 90 degrees. So you can write here obtuse angle, or you may write more than 90 degree. Angle more than 90 degree. After that, in third watch, timing is 9:25. So you can write here 9:25. And which type of angle is this? Sorry, 9:10. Sorry, 9:10. And this type, and which type of angle is this? See here, you have to look at this angle and you have to find out that which type of angle is this. This angle is more than right angle. So you can write here angle more than right angle, or you can write obtuse angle. And all these angles and timings you have to write with pencil only. Then next, here timing is 9:25. So in box you have to write 9:25. And which type of angle is this? See here, which type of angle? Angle more than right angle. So this is also an obtuse angle. So you can write here OA, or you can write angle more than right angle. Then next, in fifth figure, in fifth clock, timing is 10 o'clock. So you can write here 10:00. That means 10 o'clock. And which type of angle is this? It is less than 90 degrees. See here. So we will write here AA, or you may write angle less than 90 degree. That means acute angle. So see how easily we have solved this exercise with the help of different types of angles. Now next, draw the hands of the clocks when they make an angle which is less than right angle, and also write the time. As you have done in our previous exercise about right angle, we have seen that I have drawn one right angle in your clock, and other two I have given you in your homework. That only you have to do here, but here you have to draw an acute angle. You doesn't have to draw right angle. Here you have to draw acute angle formation, which is less than right angle. Less than right angle means acute angle. So in one clock I am drawing the timings, and in other two clocks you have to draw it and homework. So like this I can say that 1 o'clock, you have to draw with scale. 1 पे हमने छोटा काटा बना लिया, 12 पे बड़ा काटा बना लिया. So like this V type formation is there, and it means it is an acute angle. Like this I have made 1 o'clock. or you can make 6:25, you can make 2:15, any or other timings you can take, but it should be acute angle. Okay, so ये ऐसे 1 पे छोटा काटा अगर हमने बढ़ा दिया, ये 12 पे बड़ा काटा, तो ये बन गया एक्यूट एंगल. और यू कैन मेक 6:25 ऑल्सो, यू कैन मेक 2:15 और एनी अदर टाइमिंग्स, वॉट एवर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. It should be acute angle and you have to write the timing. Now here I have drawn 1 o'clock, so I have to write here 1 because I have drawn 1 o'clock. मैंने 1 पे जो है बड़ा छोटा काटा और 12 पे बड़ा काटा करके हमने क्या किया, ये बताया यहाँ पर कि क्या फॉर्म कर रहा है, एक्यूट एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है. तो जो भी टाइमिंग्स आप लोग यहाँ पर एंगल्स ड्रॉ कर रहे हो वो आपको टाइमिंग्स नीचे नोट डाउन करने हैं. दिस ऑल you have to do this, both clocks you have to do in your homework. ये दोनों जो बाकी की जो क्लॉक है वो आपको होमवर्क में करनी है. एंड दिस ऑल मैथस्टिक्स पजल्स यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एट योर होम. आप लोगों को जो है ये सारी एक्टिविटी पार्ट जो है आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में यहाँ पर डिग्री क्लॉक बनाई हुई है. दिस ऑल एक्टिविटी पार्ट यू हैव टू डू एट योर होम. अगर आप लोग जो है घर पे अभी लॉकडाउन में आप फ्री हो तो आपको क्या करना है, आपके जो है बड़ों की हेल्प लेके आपको ये सारी एक्टिविटी पार्ट्स करनी है. देखो यहाँ पर आपके जैसे एक क्लास में स्टूडेंट है जैसे रहमत नाम का, उसने क्या किया है, योगा करके कुछ आसन्स कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो वो क्या बता रहा है, कुछ फॉर्मेशन जो है वो राइट एंगल में है, कुछ फॉर्मेशन जो है वो कुछ आसन्स कर रहा है जो किसके फॉर्म में है, कुछ राइट एंगल के फॉर्म में है. कुछ एंगल्स जो है एक्यूट एंगल बता रहा है, कुछ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल बता रहा है, कुछ जो है राइट एंगल बता रहा है. सारे जो है अलग अलग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स फॉर्म कर रहा है वो आसन्स करके. सो दिस ऑल एक्टिविटी and you have to do at your home and please do revise this chapter so that आप लोगों को जो है अच्छे मार्क्स आए एग्जाम में. टू गेट गुड मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम प्लीज डू रिवाइज दिस चैप्टर केयरफुली एंड प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस ऑल टॉपिक्स 2 टाइम्स. आपका चैप्टर जब कंप्लीट होता है आप लोग 2 टाइम्स पूरे चैप्टर को अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लिया करो, जिससे आप लोगों को क्या हो, आपको चैप्टर में जो है आपको अच्छे से सब समझ में आ जाए, आपका कोई टॉपिक्स जो है छूटे नहीं, अच्छे से आपको जो है सारा रिवीजन मिल जाए. टू गेट गुड मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम प्लीज डू रिवाइज योर चैप्टर्स. नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर चैप्टर नंबर 2. प्लीज बी रेडी फॉर योर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इन अवर नेक्स्ट सेशन. टिल देन, थैंक यू, स्टे सेफ, थैंक यू.